So I've taken a couple more of the even number questions and we're going to continue through this. This example, a little bit ugly to work with, or at least just to look at, but as in anything, we break it down into its parts. So I've got a binomial times a trinomial. It's like FOIL, except that because we have 2 multiplications times 3, it'll be 6 multiplications in all. The a to the 3 gets multiplied by all 3 of those terms to get the first part of the FOIL done, equals a to the 5. Remember, you're adding the exponents. And then a to the 3 times 3a is going to be 3a to the 4. And a to the 3 times the negative 1 is negative a cubed. Now I'm going to multiply the positive 1 times all 3 of those terms. 1, 2, 3. And so that's going to be positive a squared, positive 3a, minus 1. I'm going to clean that up in a second. Now let's look at the multiplication here, and don't forget this is a negative 3a or a minus 3a that's going to multiply by both of the terms, leaving me with negative 3a to the 4 and negative 3a. So we've got this slew of 8 terms. We're going to combine. We'll look for the like terms as we go. A to the 5 doesn't have a partner, so it's just a to the 5. 3a to the 4, negative 3a to the 4, they'll cancel out, so I don't have to write anything for those. Negative a to the 3, does it have a partner? No, so negative a to the 3. Notice I'm going in descending order of exponents. Positive a squared, nothing matches with that. Positive 3a, negative 3a, those guys are going to cancel out. And the only term left over now is the minus 1. Example is done. Now later on we're going to find out whether we can go further with this when we learn something called factoring. But for now we'll just leave it there. This is a trinomial divided by a monomial. Now some students prefer to look at it as a long, or at least a horizontal division as opposed to vertical. So that would be 14a to the 5, b to the 3, minus 7a to the 10, b to the 6. All I'm doing here is recopying the top. Okay? And you're going to divide that by 7a to the 6b squared. May not fit. a to the 6b squared. And you're going to divide all 3 terms. Divide that one, that one, that one. Now personally, even though you might see this better, it's better left as the vertical division this way. You divide it by all 3 terms. But the main important thing is you can't just go canceling top and bottom because of the minus and the plus on top. You can't cancel directly if there's an addition or subtraction. So I'm going to divide 7a to the 6, b to the 2 into each of these terms. 14 divided by 7 is 2. Great. But a to the 5 divided by a to the 6. We've got to subtract the exponent, so that's going to be a to the negative 1. And b to the 3, b to the 2, that'll be b to the 1. You want to write the 1? Go ahead. Negative 7a to the 10, b to the 6 divided by 7 to 7 is going to be equal 1. a to the 10, a to the 6 is a to the 4. b to the 6, b to the 2, b to the 4. Remember, you're subtracting those exponents. And the third term, 21a to the 6b squared, is going to be 3. a to the 6 is to disappear, b squared is disappear, so 3. It's just a constant, no variable. I'm actually not able to do any more. There's no like terms or anything, but you're never supposed to leave a negative exponent in your final step or final answer. So I'm going to be putting that a to the negative 1 on the bottom of the fraction. So that'll be 2b over a minus, I don't need to write that 1 there, a to the 4, b to the 4 plus 3. Pretty ugly, but that's all you have for now.